YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be talking about this awesome Ryobi pressure washer at 1600 PSI with 1.2 gallons per minute flow rate. If you want to check out this awesome product, I left the link down in the description below for you. But I highly recommend this, especially if you're just trying to do stuff around your home. This is obviously not going to be for a commercial type of job, but if you have stuff around your home that needs to be cleaned, like brick, vinyl, some plastic, stuff around your garden or even your driveway, this will definitely get the job done. I'm gonna test it out on a variety of different surfaces. The specs are on the back here. So as you can see right here, it has a 120 volt motor, 1600 PSI, and it has a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. The pump is aluminum and it weighs about 17.5 pounds. So it is very lightweight. All right, so I unboxed everything and I haven't assembled anything yet, but this is pretty much everything that you get. Instruction manual and all the pieces you need to put together. So pretty much the hose is gonna go on this part right here. Then you're gonna have the outlet that comes out and goes to the gun, and then your power source right over here. So it does not recommend you use any kind of bleach with this product. As you can see right here, you do get a soap attachment where you can connect this piece right over here in this corner, right over there. And here are the instructions for that. And here are the recommendations for extension cords for this product. And you get 3 different attachments. As you can see right here, this is the nozzle selection guide. So it highly recommends that you use the turbo nozzle for concrete, brick, and masonry. And pretty much you're gonna be using the 15-degree orange attachment right over here for pretty much everything else. And then the soap you can use on everything as well. But if you wanna remove the dirt, this is your go-to attachment right here. So here are the 3 different attachments. You've got your turbo nozzle. This is what it looks like. And this is your 15-degree angled nozzle, and you have your soap nozzle. So assembly literally only takes probably about 5 minutes. All I have to do now is just go outside and connect the water hose, and I'm pretty much ready to use it. So all you have to do is just stick this piece in, and then you're gonna turn it to lock it in place. And then you're just gonna screw these attachments here onto that valve and that one right over there as well. And then the gun itself actually has this little red safety release to prevent you from accidentally making this thing go off. And you can actually lock that in place just like that. And then over here is how you put the attachments on. So in order to put an attachment on, you actually have to slide this little lever right here, this sleeve, to make it pop off, just like that. And whenever you want to put it back on, you just slide this back and stick it in. And right over here is the on and off switch. It's really easy to use. You just push it just like that. And then you can hold all your little attachment nozzles right over here in this area over here. So this is for abrasive, and then this is for gentle. Just like that. And here are the starting instructions. They even show it on here, really easy to follow. You just follow steps 1 through 7 and everything should be fine. Also, the plug does have a test and reset button just in case the circuit breaker pops or something goes wrong. You can even test it out. I don't know if you can see that light, it's green right now. You can actually push this to test it to turn it off, and then you can press reset to get it to come back on. So after you've attached the hose onto there and you turned on the water, you don't want to plug it in yet. You're going to go ahead and run the water out of it, just like that. And this is going to get the air out of the system. So you can hear how the flow is not 100% yet. Okay, now it's getting there. So this is without pressure, obviously, because I don't have it plugged in. So this should be good to go. You're supposed to run it for about 30 seconds. So I'm gonna set this down, and we're gonna go ahead and do exactly how it says right here. We already turned on the water, We already did steady flow for about 30 seconds, and we're gonna plug it in right now and then turn it on. So let me plug this in over here. So that's plugged in, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And it comes on briefly just to pressurize the system. And then as you press this, it comes on. So it's normal for it to come on and come off. So here's a soap nozzle. All right, so this is the turbo nozzle, and we're gonna just try a bunch of different surfaces. So we're going to try out this. This is pretty much like a rock type concrete. So let's hit this up real quick. As you can see, that worked really fast, very clean. We will try this chair. Very clean as well. We'll try this siding with all this mold on here. This thing I am in love with now. This is amazing. It doesn't seem very powerful, but this thing packs a punch. Let's hit up some more stuff. Try this chair. Okay, let's hit up this brick. Wow. All right, so now we're going to test out the 15-degree nozzle, which kind of creates like a fan-like display. Let's try it out on the brick now. Let's see, this part's nasty. We're using the 15-degree tip again to get off some of this mildew. So this is the 15-degree nozzle tip, and we're going to clean off this skimmer cap right here. So another great thing about this pressure washer is you can actually clean your windows without even having to touch them or even remove the screen. I already did this side, and you can see this side is nasty, so I'll show you how it works. I'm actually using the 15-degree tip on there, the orange tip. So wash it, cleaned up. So this left side of the fence was built about a year ago when I bought the home, and this was built back in '05, pretty much around Hurricane Katrina time. And check out this. It's the first paver, and you can see how dark this one is compared to this one. I'll get up close there for you so you can compare how dark it is. And I'll do a quick little close-up of the cleaning. Now you can see the difference. So when I'm all done with it, I basically just wrap up the cord, use this Velcro strap to hold it in place, and I just grab this by the handle, and then hold the gun and the cable or hose on another hand, and that's it. I just put it in the storage room. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out the best deals on these cheap, lightweight, portable, but powerful electric pressure washers, then definitely check out the links I provide down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.